Okay, Ken. So I'm using this triangle to use my cosine rule. I only know this angle. So this one must be the small a because it's opposite the angle. This 640 and this 410, they are the other two sides. So they are B and C. And B and C, not important one. Which one B, which one C doesn't matter. Just that you know one is B, one is C can already. Okay? See lah. Which is why I don't like Apple stuff. Okay, so B and C. B, if I put 640, then C I will put 410. Square, square, minus 2 times 640 and 410. Okay, then in this case, I am finding my length PR. So I want to make PR the subject in this formula. Then it is already by itself on the left, just that it is being square. So if I want to remove the square, I take square root. I take square root on both sides. Then the square root on the left will cancel out this square. Then the square root on the right will be square rooting the entire right hand side. Okay? Then the next challenge you have is to key in this correctly into your calculator. If you can key in this whole thing into your calculator will tell you the answer. Okay, so your bearings, your angle of elevation, all this, you will also keep bearings. Most of the time you will need to use your cosine rule. So in your exam also same one. When you see the bearing question, you can start to think cosine rule or sine rule. Angle of elevation depression will more link to Pythagoras and Tuakaso because horizontal, vertical always got 90 degrees. Okay, go try, press calculator. Some things to take note, where are the bracket, where are the square. Okay, then your square root sign, remember to cover everything. Hey, try. Done already. Oh, so fast. Eunice, when are you all going to start paying attention in class, listening, learning? Really worry about you all. Then your subjects, all the other subjects, how? Ethan also. Yeah. Come school to go toilet, use the school toilet only, use the school gym. Can. But the school is a whole thing, whole package. Your responsibility here is to learn. Are you learning? Are you learning your math? Are you learning your English? You learn magic. Yeah lah. Okay, then when we give answer, we try to give a few more significant figure first. After that, then you round off. 505, 3SF. Okay, all of you got 505? Okay. Zoom in. Done? Okay. Hello. Hey, you're really, Gabriel especially, wow, cannot stop talking on it. Okay, next part. The question changed to a three-dimension program, three-dimension question. You see, T is a point vertically above P. So it is no longer north, because this is like you have this flat thing. North is going away from you, okay, like this. Like this line, going away from you like that. This is the north. But now T is like that. It is sticking out of the surface. Okay? If this one is flat, now T is directly pointing upwards from the surface. So we were looking from a top view. Now the T is closer to us. It is a three-dimension question now. Okay? The angle of elevation of T from Q. Q is here. So now P is actually sticking out one. Okay? Then the angle of elevation of T from Q. So if we join this tip to Q, now we actually have a right angle triangle. If I turn this thing outwards like that, it is sticking out. Can you see this line, and this line forms a right angle triangle? Okay? So must be able to visualize that part. Calculate the angle of elevation of T from Q is 3 degrees. Meaning, P, Q, if I redraw this part that they are talking about, my P is here, my Q is here. Just now here I am looking a top view. Now I am looking side view like that. If my view is like that, P is here, Q is here, they are on the ground. Then on top of P there is a T sticking out upwards. Okay? Just now this one is top view. Now this one is side view. I see from the side. T is standing up from P. And then T joined to Q actually forms a right angle triangle over here. Because this one is flat, this one is the ground. This one is sticking up. Then here they tell you the angle is 3 degrees. Okay? So this one is when I see from here. In this direction. I see from the side. Okay? So north is actually further inside already. Then you are asked to find the height of T above P. So if you want to find this side now, the height, then PQ, you still know the distance, 640. Okay? So they are putting the bearing problem together with an angle of elevation problem. Then it becomes flat. Then got something sticking out. So it becomes a three-dimension problem. Three-dimension question. Okay? So we want to look for the flat part. We want to just look at this blue color right angle triangle now. Then if you want to find the H, and you know this is 3 degrees, then here is a right angle triangle. I want to use this 3 degree. I want to use this known side to help me find this unknown side. So right angle triangle, first thing, Pythagoras. But I don't know this. I cannot find this using Pythagoras. Then the next thing I must be thinking will be Tuakaso. Trigo ratio. Okay? Then with respect, I only know this angle. So with respect to this angle, my H is my opposite. My 640 is touching, so it's adjacent to the angle. So my 640 is adjacent. My H is my opposite. Then I want to link opposite and adjacent, I must use tangent. Okay? So from there, B part 1, I want to find the height. I will use tangent. Tangent of 3 degrees is opposite over adjacent. Okay? Tangent 3 degree is opposite over adjacent. Tangent 3 is a number that you key in calculator can find out. So in this equation that I have, what I want to know is h. So if I want to know h, I want to make h the subject. I don't want h to be with this 640. So I multiply 640 to both sides. I will have 640 tangent 3. Okay? So this part needs your algebraic manipulation. Just multiply this denominator, then to both sides. It will cancel out and it will appear here already. Then this one, just press calculator. Your h is equals to 640 times tangent 3. Yes. Can. I never stop people go toilet one eh. Oh no! Tua Kaso, you forget already.
No, I didn't forget. I was just wondering what the yen I was.
Okay, so first write a few more significant from your calculator. After that, round it off.
What the hell? Okay, I'm not getting this before I
Why?
I suck at algebraic manipulation.
Then get better at it. It's so simple.
No, it's not.
You need to practice a bit, then you become simple already. You want h, right? Now h is divided by a number. Then equation. Important thing is don't think of equation as going left to right. You must always think of equation as left hand side, right hand side. They are the same. Then I want to continue. Write the next equation. Left hand side, continue on the left hand side. Right hand side, continue on the right hand side. Then continue on the left hand side, continue on the right hand side, continue on the left hand side, continue on the right hand side. Okay. Once you have that kind of thinking, it is going downwards, then solving equation become quite easy already. Okay, so 33.5 meters. Then angle of elevation of T from R. Okay, this one is just now there is a triangle here and then the T sticking out. So the T is sticking out still, but now we want to find this T stick out and then find the angle of elevation of the sticking point from the R. So now it's no longer this blue color right angle triangle. We need another right angle triangle. We need another right angle triangle between P, R, and the T that is sticking outwards. Okay? Because we want to find T from R. So I need my P, I need my R, then T is still sticking out from the ground. Okay? Then if I join T and R, then I will be able to find the angle of elevation. Okay? So it will be from here one, like that, going upward. Here. Like that. Okay? Can? So it is now this right angle triangle. Actually I brought this paper. Like that. So just now PQT is like that. It's like there's a T sticking out. So it becomes here, this right angle triangle. Then now we want to find this angle. So T is still sticking out. Then now it is a right angle triangle from this side. Okay? Can can visualize Yes. Go fishing Going where? Marina Bay. Marina Bay good to fish, man. Legal one or not? The things you do always illegal one, eh? So my PT no change, ah. PT is the same one, ma. Whether I see from PQT or PRT, my PT is still the same height. So my PT just now I found already. The height is 33.54097. 33.54097. Then my PR I found in part 1. 504.57988. Okay? Here I found PR. Then here I found this H. So I want to find the angle of elevation of T from R. I want to find this angle. So I know these two sides. Then again, right angle triangle. I want to find angle. I must be thinking tuakaso. So I want to find this angle. I know these two sides. This one is opposite. This one is adjacent. So again, I'll be using tangent. Okay? So, last part. I write down tangent of angle. Okay, give it a name lah. Then you don't need to keep writing so long. So I name this angle big R. So tangent of big R. Tangent is opposite over adjacent. So opposite is PT. 33.54097. And then the adjacent is PR. 504.57988. Then I want to find angle R. I know this is the tangent of R. I want to find just R. I want to remove this tangent. I need to tangent inverse on both sides. The tangent inverse on the left will cancel away the tangent. The tangent inverse on the right will be here. Then I need to tangent inverse this entire fraction. Okay? Okay, Jaden was not here yesterday. So yesterday we tried. If I don't use 33.54097, I use 33.5, I put here. Then here I don't use 504, I use 505. The rounded off answer.
Yes, different.
Yeah, sometimes it will come out different. So we want to use the more exact answer when we are doing all this working. We only round off to answer the question. But then in our working, we try to use the more exact numbers. Cool. Oh. No. You leh. How many times I have to answer?
Until I can go.
Yeah lah. If somebody else ask me, still got chance ah. You leh.
Yeah, I cannot.
This is 504.5798. That
Yeah,
is
then you shock again.
504.9798.
Hey. Oh, thank you. Here should be 57988. Yeah. Sorry ah. I so old already. Keep making mistake. Thank you. You yourself is a piece of shit already, ma.
I piece of shit.
Who? Who say you piece of shit? Yeah lah. Hey, finish already ah, lesson. Walao, why so fast one? I want to spend more time with you all also cannot. Okay, I hope you all get the idea how the thing is sticking outwards, then it become a 3-dimension question. So the answer is 3.8 degrees. Sorry, write a few more number first. Then 3.8 degrees. Round off to 1 decimal point. 8. 38. Okay, can. Okay, do the next questions for as homework. Okay? Hey, at least try question 3. Okay? It is quite easy to visualize. Your T is sticking upwards from the ground. They tell you it is 90 degrees. Okay, Ken? Okay, thank you, class.